Okay, so we have AP Calculus free response. This is an average rate of change question. So average rate of change is what we're going to be talking about today. This is a really simple question, and the reason I'm willing to go over it is because I want to make sure that you get all the points that you're supposed to. So we have this table up here. We have time in minutes. We have time is 0 minutes, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 9 minutes, and then 10 minutes. And we have h of t is degrees in Celsius, and I don't know if you can see on this table enough, but this is 66 degrees at time is, right? And all these align with each other. These are arrows I'm drawing down. So as a teapot cools, the temperature of the tea is modeled by the differentiable function h, for t is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 10, where time t is measured in minutes and the temperature is measured in degrees Celsius. Values. So here, this is important to us here because we have values of h of t at selected times are shown in the above table. What we're asked to do here, what we're told to do here is use the data in the table to approximate the rate at which the temperature of the tea is changing when t is 3.5. So I look up here and 3.5 is not there, but it's in between these two values right here, isn't it? So what we want to use is the average rate of change formula. But your reader, the person who's grading your test, wants to see some specific notation. So what you want to say is that the rate of change of heat given time is equal to h of 5 minus h of 2 all over 5 minus 2. What I'm afraid of is that somebody out there is going to just do this in their head. Your reader wants to see this because this is not on a calculator portion of the exam. So they want to see your work. They want you to show the computations that led you to the answer. So here's their little marker right here. And this is part of just the numerical answer itself is worth very few points out of the total points possible on this portion of this free response question. So you have to be really careful. Here I'm going to just start doing my work. So I'm going to say, well, that's equal to, well, h of 5 is 52. H of 5 is 52. It's right here, isn't it? H of 5 is 52. So I have 52 minus h of 2, and h of 2, of course, was 60, all over 5 minus 2. Here I do a little bit of math here, not a ton, just a little bit of math, and I'm going to get an answer of about 2.66, actually negative, because we have 52 minus 60 here. So, and that makes sense because the temperature is decreasing, but we have to put this degrees. This is really important because they want these units. Degrees Celsius per, let me see if I can move over, per minute. So maybe you're thinking, well, if I just put this negative 2.66, that would be enough. Not enough. Or maybe if I just show them that I'm using average rate of change formula, that might be enough. It's a good start, not enough. So what do you need to do? Show that you're using average rate of change formula, show the application of that specifically, get your numeric answer, and then give it units. So all of those things are important. The only way to get a 5 on the exam is to make sure that you're being pretty meticulous and to help your reader by kind of holding their hand through it and saying, here's my work. So, hey, you guys, good work. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. And your comments, of course, are always welcome. Thanks.